Morning and welcome to No Second Season, and thank you for joining me again. This is my last episode in my short bike packing tour of the High Country Rail Trail. Now, it was supposed to be a figure of eight shaped ride, but it's actually turned out, as you can see, more like the shape of a pusscat. That wasn't intentional, purely by coincidence, but I think it's quite cute. It was around 200 kilometres. My ride with GPS actually says I rode 220 kilometres. Probably I was lost the other 20. I will put a link below letting you know where you can find it on Komoot and Ride with GPS, so you can download the file yourself if you wanted to ride it. And I hope you enjoy this episode. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Morning. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. The skies are looking moody. Look at that. There is supposed to be rain today. The sunrise is getting more and more beautiful. It doesn't look it on this, but it is lovely. The galahs are waking up and they're going to their little tree. They're flying out of the big one that's above me there. That's where they slept. They kept nice and quiet. That was good. Unless I walked by and then they all started hollering again. So very funny. Right, so I must get on and get up. The big yellow fiery ball is just coming up over the hill now. It's beautiful. So I've just left the Hillis farm. These are their cows, just going off to the pastures, into the meadows after milking. So bye-bye the Hillis farm. Beautiful. This cow got left behind. Oh, little sweetheart. So they're all very kind. Giving me somewhere to camp, giving me water as much as I wanted, use of a toilet, charged my power bank. They're just very kind people. They have a beautiful place. The Milky Way, the sunrise, Mount Grania to the right, Jarvis Creek Reserve to the left. What more could you want? So, talking about stomping on the pedals and it's really bad, blah, blah, blah. Well, if I don't, this is really hard getting up this hill. It's only an incline, not very steep. But if I slightly lift my feet, like that, get into a rhythm, lifting them, forces mass times acceleration, it's a whole bloody lot easier. So, if you need to do it, do it. Who cares what the athletes say? Stompage is the way forward. It's lovely. This is why I bike pack. You just don't get this. If you were racing through, would you be able to savour it and soak it up? Probably not. Look at the blackening skies over the way I'm going. Getting to the top of this hill, I hope. Please don't be a false summit. Please don't be a false summit. The wind is strong. I think I'm going to take off in my poncho. Poncho. So I'm just going to stop here. It's absolutely chucking it down. And I need to sort out my poncho. This side's all right, but this side is a bit messy. Oh, it's really chucking it down now. I've got a bit of protection under this tree. Not a lot, but a little. Anyway, I'm going to sort my poncho out. So when it rains heavy, I put all my electronics in a dry bag in my rucksack to make sure I don't ruin them. Hopefully I've caught them in time. My phone did get a bit wet. So I think I'll have a bite to eat here and a drink while hopefully the rain passes. It's slowed down now, just a drizzle. Oh, the rain's coming down again. It's actually thundering now, which I was hoping it wasn't going to. I didn't have any breakfast this morning, and I've still got one of Julie's rolls from the Kuitong pub, which is very nice and welcome. People are so nice here. People slow down this road. Every car that's been by me or truck has waved. Some have slowed down to see if I'm all right and that I waved back. That lady, truck just went by, lady stopped, reversed up to make sure I was okay. They're just really nice people around here. Really, really lovely people. I want to live on this road, but then I'd have to start being lovely. Perhaps you catch being lovely. I don't know. She said, anyway, there's a hell of a lot of rain to come. So I need to get a bit. So would you believe it? Somewhere, I'm supposed to be on this blue line. I've gone off on this red one. And luckily, I can cut the corner to Talgarno. But, yeah, how or where I missed a turn in, I don't know. Anyway, so it's down this gravel road. Beautiful smells when it rains here. So mad thing is, the speed limit on here is 100 kilometers an hour. I was just passed by 3 off-roaders towing caravans at 100 kilometers an hour. Yet on the freeway, the limit is 110. How do they work that out? I think it needs a review. Up the freeway speed limit. You can see this. Look at that really peculiar cloud formation. I've never seen anything like it. It's like bumpy cloud bumping downwards. This tree's stunning. It's had some massive branches cut off it before. It's about 6 foot diameter at least. So I'm certainly heading towards water-laden cloudy skies. They look very heavy, like they're just about to drop in one go. Cicadas. It sounds as though there's hundreds of them all singing together and that they all stop together. Well, actually it's not, it'll be just one. I've got one outside my house, and if I just like get close to it, I'm not stamping on it, if I just get close to it, it stops. Anyway, I just dropped my bike very heavily onto this side. I've hurt my elbow and my shin. Got a bit of a contusion. Instead of taking a right turn to Albury or Lavington, I took a left just to this cafe. It's about, it's a bit of a pain because it's downhill a bit, but it's only about, I don't know, less than a kilometre out of my way. Just caught them, they're just about to close. So I'm going to have a coffee and some chips. And then I've got, I think something around 19 kilometres to do until home. Now ordinarily, if I was continuing to bike pack and my stuff was getting this wet, I'd be getting a bit stressed because you do need to keep things dry, but as I'm going home it doesn't matter, so I'm just looking forward to getting home now. So with hindsight, I probably shouldn't have stopped because I had to wait around a bit and I've got cold now. I had chips and coffee and I actually feel a little bit sick, but it was raining quite heavy, so I suppose that saved me getting even wetter. Anyway, I think this is my last big hill. Just getting into Lavington town. Hello, little fowl. Hello, little fowl.
Apprenons le cha-cha-cha.
Hello. So here we are, 5 days, 4 nights, and what a lovely little bike packing tour. I am glad to be home, to be honest. And for now, I'm going to rest, and I'll be seeing you sometime very soon. Bye for now.
Apprenons le cha-cha-cha.